Hello and good morning to all of you. Hope you are doing well. So welcome back to this channel again. Today it's a job openings from Portugal. Hope you all know that this is a European country. So it's the urgent vacancies and it's for only for delivery jobs. So if you want to move a European country like Portugal, then this is a good opportunity. Don't miss it. You can enter in this job and later you can change your profile as per your experience and qualifications. So this is the urgent vacancies for delivery jobs in Portugal. So if you are interested, then keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings and how to apply. Everything details we can discuss in this video. So let's start. This is the current openings in Portugal for delivery jobs, and the company is Papa John's and the job is delivery driver, Domino's delivery driver, Courier Express Global LLC, PLS driver, Poland Spring transport driver, Reilly Auto parts driver. So Fedex Express, courier driver, Cappza Pizza, crew member, delivery driver, Chicago Pizza, crew member, Empire Auto parts driver, Parader, CDL driver, Lab Express, courier driver. So this is basically all jobs are related to driving jobs. If you have the proper capability, proper experience, proper skills to apply for this job, then you can apply as soon as possible by this official email ID. So guys, the thing is this is the urgent vacancies. They have limited times, and if you are returned from Gulf country or any other country like Malaysia, Singapore, or any other country, and you have international experience, then don't be late. Apply as soon as possible. And those candidates having no international experience, having only national experience, they can also apply. But you have to mention your proper qualifications and proper skills and proper training and proper license, everything as a driver, then only your CV will be shortlisted. So if you are interested to apply for this job, then you can apply as soon as possible, and if you have any questions you can drop your question in the comment box. So let's apply as soon as possible if you are interested and if you have the proper skills, and please share this information to all of your friends and relatives. Of course it will be valuable for them, and if you have any questions or any doubt, you can drop your question in the comment box. So lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video to the end. And of course, in the next video, I will inform you another job openings. After that, still this channel.